Hi everyone, I'm Brooke with Burnley and Trowbridge, and you're joining us today for a quick stitch tutorial on the Mantuamaker seam. The Mantuamaker seam is a combination of stitches shown in earlier tutorials combined in a specific manner to join two pieces of fabric in a seam that's fairly strong with a neatly finished interior. This seaming technique is particularly useful if you are working with fabric that frays or will not hold a clean edge. It can also be a good choice for seams that are on sheer or semi-sheer fabric for a cleaner appearance. For this reason, it's frequently seen in early 19th century gown skirts and petticoats, and is also similarly seen in 18th century garments for the same purpose. Begin by placing the right sides of your fabric together and turning both edges as one. Then baste the fold by using a longer running stitch. Once the fold has been basted down, turn again, this time enclosing the raw edges of the fabric. Next, use a hem stitch to hem along the fold. Now let's do that left-handed. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope that you've enjoyed this quick stitch tutorial on the Mantuamaker seam. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you find our videos helpful. And until next time, happy sewing!